Good afternoon and welcome to today's Stolen from the Wife. A couple of weeks ago my wife asked me to pick something just to add to her Shien order to bring it up to minimum value for the free shipping. And I discovered this little package for less than £4. So it comes in a nice little carrier. USB lead, a black or a white backdrop, and the case itself. So let's put it together. Opens it quite easily, and then let's have a look. Just clip in. Clip and down here. And again this side. As you can see, it's got two banks of strong LEDs in the roof of the box, and then the backdrop simply just clips in. Should have done this first, shouldn't I? But I want to try and take this in one take. So look, around that way. No, that way. For some reason it doesn't want to go in. That's what she said. Here. Oh, as you can see, really bright inside. So let's take a small video with it, and then we'll have another look.